I'm Chef Colleen, co-author of the Diabetes-Free Cookbook and Exercise Guide with Dr. John Poothullil. Today we're going to be doing a recipe from the book. It's called Mushroom Artichoke Pesto Chicken, which is delicious. So let's get started.
So I'm starting with 3 to 4 cloves of fresh garlic, maybe a little more because I love garlic. 1 medium zucchini diced. And once I have the vegetables chopped up, I put them in separate bowls so that they're ready to add to the pan when all the ingredients are together. 1 pint of cherry tomatoes cut in half. 1 pint of mushrooms sliced. You can use fresh or you can use canned. And then a cup of marinated artichoke hearts drained. So you can see we have all of our ingredients ready to go. And it's easy to add them to the pan when they're all together like that. So we start with a medium-high heat under the pan, and then you add some oil. I use coconut or avocado oil because those oils are stable at high heats. And once the oil is hot, you add your chicken. You can use chicken breasts or you can use chicken pieces, whatever you prefer. Just make sure that the chicken is cooked through so the inside is no longer pink. When it's fully cooked, you can take the chicken out and put it on a separate plate and use the same pan to cook the rest of the vegetables you just prepared. So you add everything back to the pan and mix it all up together. Once you have all your ingredients in the pan, you can mix it together, let it warm up together, and then you can add your seasonings. I like to use paprika and chili powder. Use as much or as little as you like, a little salt and pepper to taste. Then you've got your coconut cream and your fresh pesto, which I demonstrate how to make in another recipe video. Combine it all together and add the chicken back to warm it up. And then you're ready to go.
So here we have it, our Mushroom Artichoke Pesto Chicken. Let's give it a taste. Delicious. It's got healthy protein, lots of vegetables. It's not going to raise your blood sugar. You can make it all in one pan. You can find more recipes like this and many others in the Diabetes-Free Cookbook and Exercise Guide. And look forward to talking to you soon.